So yeah, oh my god, YouTube. Look at this. This cam's cocked over. This cam's fine. This cam's fine. This cam's fine. Why is it not run? Gee, I wonder. So yeah, I think this is a horrible design, and also I bought chain tensioners remanufactured directly from China. That should make sense because most of the remans come out of China, right? Come out of Shenzhen, which is exactly where I bought them from. I forgot the name of the manufacturer. He responded quickly, but he didn't really give me shit. He gave me like $4 off another tensioner. Ooh, gee, great. Thanks for the failed first one, dick. So I won't be recommending him. AliExpress seller. It took a long time to get the parts too. That's one big problem I've been having with AliExpress. I'll say that right now is just order shit that you don't really care about. I ordered a stir bar for my chemistry stuff. Came in right away, like a week, which is really good considering it usually leaves the factory by bicycle. I ordered something. Ordered a knob. It's not here yet, but I bet that makes it here quickly. My wife ordered lights over a month ago. They haven't shown up. I ordered a clip for the center console. Came right away. So it's hit or miss. It depends on the manufacturer. It has nothing to do with AliExpress itself. They're pretty good. They don't really cover you for much, but they're alright. Well, anyways, yeah, one more thing. This bolt here, you can't see it, right? So it's a valve cover bolt hole. And a valve cover bolt is buried under this, and this. And you're probably going to strip the screw when you take it out. I had to drill mine out. Don't lose the